We heard many times that if we manifest hard enough, we will reach to whatever we want. Feel rich, you become rich instantly. Visualize healing and your body heals immediately. The idea sounds great, but the question is, what if it doesn't work? Suddenly, that's your fault. Because you didn't align with universe, because you didn't manifest hard enough. The truth is, while they are trying to convince you to sit still and visualize, they are building their business, writing books, creating workshops, selling courses. Today we are going to talk about the truth behind manifestation and why believing alone is not enough. So stay with me. Recently I had a conversation with a friend who was frustrated because she was almost for a year manifesting healing and nothing happened. And she was convinced that it was her fault because she couldn't connect with her higher self. And as a matter of fact, she was thinking that she doesn't have even a higher self and she can't even connect with the universe, so she can't live the life that she desires. It was really heartbreaking to see someone who is blaming herself for something that is much more complex than sitting and manifesting. And she's not alone. There are lots of people out there that they are telling you, even with 24 hours, you will reach to wealth, health, whatever you want by manifesting. But the same people, they are working hard to sell this idea to you. There is no doubt that manifestation is a very powerful tool. Science shows that the way that you think can shape your emotions and your actions, even can change your biology through epigenetics. However, problem starts when people are sold that manifestation is enough for any changes. If healing process could be enough, everyone had to be healthy. If just visualizing wealth was enough, why people they have to take any action? Why those people that they want to become healthy, they should change their lifestyle. They should nourish their body. The reality is manifestation is just one piece of puzzle, and without action is incomplete. Yes, knowing what you want is very important. Clarity brings direction. Your belief system plays a crucial role in your motivation and resilience. But the problem is, the missing piece is just to take a consistent step. The success happens when you take actions, learn, taking steps, effort that you put. Otherwise, manifestation is just a blueprint of your vision. Nothing more than that. That blueprint, my dear friend, needs actions. If you want a better health, visualizing it helps. But so does change of your lifestyle, taking new habits, nourishing your body. Believing to be rich, it helps. But so does learning, networking, taking bold steps toward your success. Many diseases have epigenetic factors, meaning is lifestyle, stress, and environment that can influence your health. But healing still needs your active participation. Focusing on healing only is not enough. You need to take progressive step toward your healing. That works in every aspect of your life. Talking just about people that they had a great and achieved great things in their life. Did they see it and just manifest it? No. They learned, they networked, they took steps, they failed, they stood up, they just reviewed their visions, that blueprint. It doesn't happen by magic. The magic happens only when you take crucial steps. Just think about it. What was your resolution in 2025 or last year? Look at it. If that's your vision for this year, just break it down into smaller steps. Take one very small, the tiniest step that you can, and start with that today. Take the first step, that tiny little step. Congratulations. You already started with a step toward your vision. Don't just think about change. Start create it. Manifestation is not about waiting for universe. It's about meeting universe halfway through your action. And that action, my dear friend, start right today. See you next time.